Well, it only took one round and one race before Haiden Deegan claimed his first official pro win. In the first race of the second round at Hangtown, he got number one. And after the great showing he had in Supercross, the overall podium he had in the first round, and the overall podium he had in this round, going, I think it was 1-3, maybe, if I remember that correctly, he's definitely got the talent. And I know I've seen a lot lately about people saying there's no haters around him and whatever. If he thinks he is, and it gives him some encouragement, then all for it. Whatever. If he wants to say it, fine. And you got to say, he definitely has the talent. He is fast. He's right up there with all the guys who, as a rookie, or him as a rookie, he's competing with the Lawrence who's expected to win this championship. Justin Cooper, who has a championship. RJ, who's supposed to be up there too. And to be a 17-year-old kid coming in with as much hype and as much following, and I'm assuming, yes, there were some people who did not like him or hated him for just because who he is and who his family is, to come out, show that he is fast, he's not just somebody who's had everything handed to him all the time, and to get a win this early on. In his first pro motocross season, in his third race, he won a round. And I think it's good. Personally, I think he's great for the sport because he is talented and he is fast. I like it a lot. But in the comments below, you tell me, how many wins do you think he gets this year? More? Does he get an overall podium win or overall win for the weekend? Whatever you want to say. Comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.